In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Canva email design into Klaviyo. Let's get started on this straightforward journey to make your email campaigns visually stunning and uniquely yours. First, you'll need to design your email in Canva. Canva is an excellent tool for creating visually appealing emails, and you can either use one of their ready-made templates or create a custom design that perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Spend some time playing with different elements like fonts, colors, and images. Remember, your design sets the tone for your message, so make it count. Once you're satisfied with your Canva creation, it's time to hop over to Klaviyo, log into your Klaviyo account, where we'll begin setting up your email campaign. On your Klaviyo dashboard, locate the Campaigns option, which you'll find in the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and you'll open a new world of possibilities for your email marketing efforts. Now let's create a new campaign. You'll see a button marked Create Campaign. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll need to select an email template. Klaviyo offers various pre-built templates to choose from. If none of those suit your fancy, feel free to choose a blank design for a truly custom touch. This flexibility ensures that your email can be as creative and unique as the design you just crafted in Canva. Now here comes the seamless integration part. Within the email editor in Klaviyo, you'll need to drag and drop an image block into your email layout. This step sets the stage for importing your Canva design directly into your email. Simply click on the image block and you'll be prompted to upload an image. This is your cue to grab that stunning design you exported from Canva, click on Upload Image, find your exported Canva file on your device, and select it. Once your design is uploaded, you'll have the ability to resize and position it until everything looks just right. Take advantage of this opportunity to ensure your email's design maintains its integrity and appeal across any device. Finally, before you send out your email campaign, take a moment to preview it. This step is crucial to make sure all elements are displaying correctly and nothing is out of place. A quick look now saves you from potential hiccups later and helps guarantee that your email leaves a stellar impression on its recipients. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your Canva email design into Klaviyo. With your unique design now ready for the world, you're all set to deliver impactful messages to your audience. Happy emailing!